What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis. We're here today with another video for you guys. This is actually going to be a recent videos. All the other videos that you've seen, besides the last one I posted, wasn't recent. All the other videos are like from 3-4 weeks ago, like old videos that I did before. I just never got the time to edit it or post it because I didn't have the time, and I was waiting for parts. Also, I was trying to have like a whole series of videos lined up and to have them every day. I wanted to have a video, but that didn't work out because other issues came up, like for example what I'm about to do today, which is the seal with the half shaft, which I'm about to show you guys in a minute. I had to change it because I guess when I put it on I ended up ripping it, or when I don't know, when I was putting it back on or when I was taking it off, I ended up either breaking the seal because it's leaking transmission fluid from that seal that I got, which I'm gonna show you guys. I actually left in the TSX, just reminded myself I gotta go get that. And when I try to go into first gear from a stop, the car doesn't want to go in first gear or reverse. It's like it will go in if I force it. Like I have to manhandle it in. That's the only way it will go into gear. Besides that, when it's rolling, it will go into any gear, even first gear. If it's rolling, it will go in easy. So I heard that could be the CMC. So what I did was basically I ordered a custom CMC, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. That clip where I unboxed the custom CMC, which is right here. So the package finally arrived. This is the package I've been waiting for. Besides the other part I told you guys, which is the seals, I picked that up already. That's actually in the garage. I'll show you guys in a minute. So let me unbox this real quick. Hard to do with one hand. Don't mind the bit if she's falling asleep. Alright, let's see. Here we go. I guess that's the part number. And here is what we need. Let me figure out how to wrap this real quick. Alright, so now since you guys seen that clip, yeah, that's the CMC that I ordered. It's for SI, it's for the 10th Gen SI. They don't sell one for an Accord. I was told that the 10th Gen SI one will fit in the Accord, so we're gonna find out if that's true or not today. So when I take the old one out, if it's the same, like a similar aspect, the similar ratios of everything, and if it fits, it fits. If not, then I guess I'm screwed, because I have to figure out a way how I can basically go into first and reverse. Because that's the only issue I'm having with this CLUTCHMASTERS flywheel and CLUTCHMASTERS FX350 clutch. So once I fix that issue, once I fix that issue and install everything, hopefully the car will be done already. That's what I'm waiting for, and I can finally install these tires that I've been waiting for. Also the alignment, and hopefully dyno tune soon. So we will see. But let's get into today's video. I'm not gonna be able to have the camera mounted anywhere for you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it, and then we're gonna go on from there. Alright, so this is the parts I ordered in Honda, in case you guys want to know that part number. That's it right there. So these are the seals that go to the half shaft, the half shaft to the transmission. I've ordered 2 of them, that's why it's 2 of them. Just in case if I fuck one of these up, I have the other one as backup. So this is just one as backup. It's the same part. This is what I've been waiting for because of my transmission leak. And this is what I'm gonna install first, which I'm gonna show you guys right now where it goes. Alright, going under this car. Something disgusting going under this car right now. Here we go. You see right there, that hole? Right up in there. This is the half shaft. That goes in there. So the seal goes on top of here. So that's I'm gonna put that seal on, and once I put that seal on, I'm gonna be able to put the half shaft on. And yes, the half shaft is disconnected, as you guys can see. I've been had it disconnected. Everything is disconnected. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, right now I'm just gonna put that seal on real quick that I show you guys, and then once I put that seal on, I'm gonna get back to you guys. So the seal goes on like this. You see how this side it looks like this. So basically, you go here, place it on top. You're gonna have to like hit it evenly. You don't want this to go and crooked. So I'm about to need 2 hands for this. So I got the seal in. That's how it looks. You just gotta make sure you guys have put it on even. So you want to hit it evenly throughout the hole. The easy way I found doing it was with this thing right here. So what I did, this is for the axle. This is the axle socket. So I put the axle socket around it, and I hand it with a hammer all around in circle motion, and little by little went in, and now it's just like that. So now what I'm gonna do is get this half shaft, put it inside that hole, and then bolt the half shaft on, and then start putting everything back together. So now that I got the half shaft on, as you can see, she's back on. Got the mount on, which is the bracket, half shaft bracket, and the bolts are on. There's 1, 2, and there's another one in that corner over there, as you can see over there. Yeah, so it's on. I don't have the axle on completely yet, but because I want to test out if it still leaks from here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour in the transmission fluid that was from this car already. I bought new transmission fluid, so I'm gonna use the old transmission fluid just to see if it doesn't leak, and if it doesn't leak, then I'm gonna drain it back out and put the new Honda transmission fluid that I got. So I'm gonna test that out now. So I don't see no leaks going on right now. I put 1 quart of transmission fluid in just to see if it will leak. Don't see any leaks, so I think that's a good sign. So yeah, no leaks at all. Before it was leaking consistently, like from right here, it was like a whole bunch of drops. Basically leaked all over my whole floor like that. So yeah, that's fine. So now I'm gonna drain this fluid from right here. Drain it all that fluid that I put in, and then put the new fluid I got from Honda. This is the transmission fluid I got from Honda. Manual transmission fluid, Honda genuine. I literally got all my parts from Honda on this car. Like everything is Honda branded. This is not. I don't get no bull-legged ass parts when it comes to my engine bay. So just letting you guys know. So now I'm gonna drain that fluid that I got out, and then we're gonna pour in that new transmission fluid. So just finished putting the fluid back on. That's why I took the battery out. This battery's over here. You gotta take that out in order to reach that plug to easily access it. Fluid is in. No leaks. I already put the 2 quarts in, and no leaks. So yeah, we're good. We're good to go. You see the old containers right here. Yeah. All right, so we're done with that part. So now it's time to put this wheel back on, this whole side back on. And once I do that, I'll be good to go. Just you guys get a look at what I'm be doing. Yeah. Once I do this, we should be good. Alright, quick update for you guys. Finished everything on this side. Even got the wheel on. Left the wheel lock there on because I haven't lowered the car yet. Look at this is how bad I need tires. Look at this. They look like slicks. That's why I need my new tires on. Can't wait. So, anyways, besides that, I gotta put the down pipe and the front pipe on. So, yeah. Front pipe is there. Down pipe is somewhere around. And yeah, so once I put the down pipe and the front pipe on, I'm obviously put that tray so it can go up. I'm not gonna put this tray on because I want to take it to the car wash tomorrow and clean all the oils. I mean the oil to transmission. Clean all that out because I don't want when I put my the heat on that it smells like transmission fluid and shit. So tomorrow I'm gonna take it to the car wash and I'm literally gonna spray this whole under tray with soapy water so that it doesn't smell the way it smells now. So that's what, I'm not gonna put that cover on, which is that one over there, that silver one. I'll do that tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna do the down pipe and the front pipe. Once I'm done with that, I'll get back to you guys. Car is finally in the ground, as you guys can see. She's finally on the floor. Show you the other side. She's finally on the ground. Alright, now she's finally low. So now, let's get to the point of this video, which is the clutch master cylinder, which is right there. You guys can see it. So, what I'm thinking of I'm gonna have to do is basically trying to see if that top cover could come off. So I'm gonna attempt to take this cover off right here. See these clips right here? This clip here, clip there, and so on and so on. And I'm probably gonna have to take the windshield wiper off so I can lift this plastic off. Once I lift that plastic off, I should be able to go under here. That's what my assumption is, because that's really hard to get to. So I'm assuming that's how I'm gonna be able to do this job easy, is to take that cover off. So that's what I'm gonna try to do now. So I ended up taking the wipers off, and as you can see, the wiper arms off. And unfortunately, when you take this cover off, it's metal under there. And I didn't realize that, so I cannot reach any of the lines or bolts over here. So I'm gonna have to do it the hard way. Just stick my hand in there and then take it off. So yeah, wish me luck. That's tight. All right, little update for you guys. What I did basically, I took the brake cylinder off, pulled it off. So yeah, that's out of the way. It was 2 bolts, one right there, one down there. It was like 2 13 mils, and now I got more space to reach that. So what I'm about to do now is I'm gonna loosen that brake line from right here, I mean the clutch line from there, and then right there, that bracket right there, that black bracket. And then hopefully, I already loosened the clutch master cylinder. I could pull the clutch master out to like about here, and then I could loosen that clutch line. If not, because this is really tight down there. So if you don't know how to basically loosen the clutch master, this right here, this is the pedal for it. See right here, I already have it loose, as you can see right here. So yeah, my phone is dying already too. That's why that fucking flash is left. So I'm gonna have to charge this real quick. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove those bolts right there. See, there's one that side and one over here. Those 2 bolts we're gonna remove in order to take this clutch masters off. So I'm gonna take that out right now. So now that you see I got it, see how it moved out the firewall already? See how loose it is? Look, I took it out the firewall, so now I can reach that clutch line right there. I'm gonna loosen it. See, it's easier for me to access. Look, literally right there, so I could just loosen that easily for me. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. Loosen that line, and I should be able to pull it all out. So here's your stock clutch master cylinder. This is how it looks. So right now I'm gonna loosen this line right here. See that clamp? Take it off, pull it off, and then this is unhooked, and we're gonna compare it to the new one. So by looking at it already, I already know that this is gonna make my clutch engage and disengage better and faster. Look at the length of the rod. Look at the length of that rod. That was my issue. I needed a longer rod so that I could disengage my clutch way better. Look at that. Look at this, the difference. It's insane. Really big difference. Wow, I'm impressed. All looks the same. The only thing I gotta transfer over is probably this right here to that side. So I'm gonna have to pull that out from the top over here. And yeah, and then I should be able to put this piece on top in there, and then that's it. Show you guys once you pull this pin out. I'll show you guys real quick. I don't have fluid on. Pull this out. This will hold it in place. So now that piece can come off. Boom. See, now it looks like this one. So now we're gonna transfer this piece over to that piece and then put that piece in, and it should be held on together back. So once you have it done and put onto the new one, you see that little corner right there that look like a flathead could go in? You want to put your flathead in there and like spread it apart so that that pin doesn't slide out. I'll show you what I mean right now. So after that, you're gonna put the hose back on the new CLUTCHMASTER cylinder, and then you're gonna put that clamp on, and then we install everything back as it was. So yeah, that's back on already. Just gotta tighten it and push it in a little bit and to the holes where they belong. There we go. So that's in. Just gotta tighten the bolts to the other side. Tighten this, and then we're gonna go inside the pedals. So the pedals installed. Feels weird. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we're gonna find out. So the next thing I'm gonna do is install the slave cylinder, which is those two bolts right there. I have the slave over there. I did the slave valve delete on this, so hopefully that helped me get into gear also. So yeah, I'm gonna install this real quick, and then we're gonna try to bleed the car and see how it works. So the car's finally driving. We're driving this girl already. The only reason I didn't record the other part, which I'm gonna show you guys when we get to the garage, is because that custom CLUTCHMASTER cylinder, I ended up breaking it. It didn't work. So I don't know if I put it wrong or what, but it didn't work. We literally pushed it down to the floor to bleed it, and then it broke. So the mod that helped me get into gear was the slave cylinder mod that we did with the valve delete. That helped us get into gear. So you don't need to buy that custom shit. All you can do is for free, you can basically take the valve out of the slave cylinder and you'll be chilling. But look at me, I'm going into gear like nothing. Before it was hard to get into gear, like literally you could hear it go boom every freaking time. It was bad. Now it's pretty good. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did when I get home. Right now I'm just testing it out and driving in, and then I'm gonna put my tune on it too. That's why I got my KTUNER. Back. So this is the custom CNC that I broke, as you can see. It's not supposed to do that. See, it goes in and out. I broke it. So I didn't use the custom one. I used the stock one, and all I did was use the slave cylinder valve delete that I did in the last video you guys seen, and that worked. So you don't really need that. That would help a lot if I wouldn't broke it, but it is what it is. Hopefully I could get a refund for that. If not, whatever. And the car's still leaking transmission fluid. Not a lot, but like drops. So yeah, I still gotta fix that issue. You can see the leaks over here. Nothing crazy, but it's leaking drops, like consistent drops. So it's like one drop and then drop, then drop. So yeah, that's the only issue I gotta fix. But this is the cord. I gotta clean her. She's dirty as hell. That's gonna be it for this video. I already installed the KTUNER for this car. I already installed everything. The car's going into gear. Everything's perfectly fine. Now I just gotta fix that transmission leak issue. Once I fix that, then the car is mint. And then I could put the under tray. I've washed under the car and then put the under tray, and then that's it. So yeah. Anyways, yeah. Nosy ass people. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment. If you're new to the channel, subscribe down below. The link is always in the description box. And also share this video to all social medias to help me grow. We have 775 subscribers. We're 25 away from 800. Let's make it. Let's do it. We could get there. All you gotta do is share Facebook, Instagram, everywhere you can. Just share it. Help me grow. Because I'm putting out all these videos, and I'm like the only one on YouTube doing stuff that I'm doing to my accord and on my own, not in a shop. Everything is DIY, and I show you guys how to do it. I'm the only one doing it, so at least you can help your boy out. Just share it, leave a like, and comment down below. Anyways, thanks for guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. The next video for sure is gonna be fixing that transmission leak and driving the car. So stay tuned. If you want to see the car driving finally, stay tuned for the next video. Because the next video I'll post, it's gonna be me driving unless something else breaks. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.